What you know, like, key, and subscribe. Oh, 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 oh.
Hi everyone! Oh man, Mark, get out of the way! Stop following me! Okay, this is Spam or Jam. I'm BB the Link Builder, and today we're gonna look at email so you don't have to. This is Mark Webster from Authority Hackers. Mark, say something cool about yourself.
So my name's Mark. I've been doing link building since 2008, believe it or not. And I really hate email spam, and I get outreached a lot, and it's really annoying. And I like helping people to not do spam, but do jam instead.
And today's email is by Kari Phillips from the Content Factory. Well, she got this email and she sent it to me. So if you have any outreach emails that you've gotten, then please send them through so we can talk about them. Subject line. Quick question. Hey there, you don't know me. Probably because we never had a chance to meet each other. I'm head of content marketing at. And then there's a whole group picture. And on the picture it says, we'd love to work with. And then there's URL. While this email is just going to be me asking for a backlink, I'm going to do that with a little twist. I really loved reading your article, How Much Does Social Media Marketing Cost? And noticed that you have a link in that article going to Hootsuite and then the URL. Would you consider dropping a mention to ours instead? Here's a link to ours. The article. Why is our article great? Good question. Let me tell you. 1. It's really in-depth, comprehensive, and actionable. 2. About 30 hours of our time was used creating the article to show ideas from different perspectives from different experts in our team. 3. I think it will be a nice addition to your article since we go much more in depth than your previous reference. Let's go to the second question. What's in it for you? I can help you with any of the following, so pick wisely. 1. You can get a backlink from one of our guest blog posts. We're guest posting to a lot on DA bigger than 40. 2. I'll donate $20 to a charity of your choice in your name. 3. You'll have my eternal gratitude, smiley face. Thank you for taking the time to read this weird and maybe funny email. Cheers, and hope we talk soon. All right, that was a lot. What did you like about the email and what did you not like?
So, I mean, the first thing that stands out for me is the subject. Quick question. I kind of feel that's been a bit done to death when I see that. To me, it screams templated email. I like the fact they're including a picture. I think the execution of the picture is poor because of the URL of, I don't know if they're using Lemlist or one of these tools to kind of superimpose that. But they've missed the end of the URL, and it looks, like someone's thrown it in paint, and it doesn't look very sort of professional. What I am not a fan of is, and this is a problem throughout the email, is her kind of almost self-deprecating tone. So it's like, you probably don't know me. And then I think towards the end, there was something about, oh, thanks for taking the time to read this weird and maybe funny ? Email. I also feel like she's trying to break the, what's it called in the movies, like the fourth wall. I know as link builders, every day we're dealing with the link building outreach, and we assume that everyone else is exposed to it so much, and it's tiring, right? But play the game, because it just works so much better than saying, oh, this is a backlink request. What's great in our article, again, it's very, very generic. So it's in-depth, comprehensive, and actionable. It just feels like you could say that about any article you're writing. The second part's not too bad. We spent 30 hours of our team putting this together. That's okay. But the last bit, again, it's like, I think it will be a nice addition to your article. Everybody says that in link building outreach. It's so generic. There was another bit, I think, earlier. Oh, I really loved reading your article. It's like, no, you didn't. You didn't even read it. I'm also not sold on the what's in it for you section. I haven't seen someone pull off this, I'll donate $20 to a charity of your choice. So I'm not sure how effective it would be. I've never tried. Have you tried that before?
No, never. But actually, Carrie said that, because she got this email, right? She said that was the only thing that she kind of liked about it. So maybe for a specific audience, it would work.
The first point there, she said, you can get a backlink from one of our guest blog posts. So we're posting on a lot of DA 40 plus. The concept of doing this kind of like for like exchange, there's merit to that, right? It's good. But if you're going to do this, I think you need to be very specific. So it's like, oh, we have a guest post coming up on X site. There'd be an opportunity to mention you there. How about it? I think that's a more compelling. It's obviously not going to work every time. And then you'll have my eternal gratitude at the end. It's not a bad idea, but I just think like it needs to have a bit more punch to it to be effective. The second is there isn't really a good call to action at the end. So someone reads this email and the call to action is, really, did I think it was funny or not?
What do you think? Is this jam or spam?
Well, if you'd asked me 4 or 5 years ago, I would have probably said jam because they're doing a lot of cool, innovative stuff. But this is 2024. The reality of the market is that people are getting a lot of emails each day, and you need to be just a little bit more refined, I think. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to say spam, but if you notice on this spam, it says spam light. So I actually think this email is like a spam light. So there are a few tweaks, 20 minutes of changes, and this would be a jam email.
Yes, keep tweaking and trying. Thank you. Send me all your bad emails.
What
Bye.
you know, like,
Bye,
and
Ron.
subscribe.